There's like two pockets at the side.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm not sure what happened to my audio, but it's not working, hence the voice over on the intro. In today's video, I'll be doing an unboxing and try on from SPYM brand. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment if you haven't. If you're already subscribed, welcome back. Now let's get into this video.
So I have 3 packages that I'm going to be opening for you guys today, and I'm also going to show you like a try-on portion. So there's my 3 packages. So each package, I'm going to link the product description down below, and the company information, everything is going to be either on the screen or in the description box. So let's get into these unboxing and these trying on real quick. Let's open this package first, which is this one. And inside we have this woman bomber jacket. It's a coat, and I select this design. They do have other designs, but I specifically chose this one and this color from the women's section, and this is in size medium. Here it is. So let me put this on real quick. This is good. This is a good outfit for the fall. The material is pretty good. The quality feels and it fits perfectly. So let me just bring this down so you guys could actually see what it looks like. Put this up for you just a bit. There we go. There's like 2 pockets at the side. Put this with my hand because I like to put my hand in my pocket. But yeah, this is a jacket. It looks so cute. I really like it. I really like this jacket. The quality, like I said, the quality is great. It's very affordable. I will link the price on the screen as well. But let's get into the next package. And they do have a Amazon store as well. So I will definitely link the Amazon store. Bigger package. There's actually 2 products in this one. So let's one to the side. We have this one. And it fell. This is a size 38 because that's the size I am, and this is a stretchy, stretchy jeggings. There it is. It does have some stretch in it, so like I said, I'm a size 38, so I'm a bit concerned. This one is. So let me just bring the camera down one more time, and then I'm gonna just back slow. Hopefully you guys can see it clearly. Just putting it on. Not bad. I'm gonna just like piece it. You know, nice shoe, but this is it. It fits, like here is a bit loose, but it has it has loops, so I could definitely put the belt in between, but otherwise it does fit perfectly. This is a 38, but I could have gone like a 37, but either way it fits. Next package I have is this one. I'm gonna leave the last one that I opened earlier for last. So this package right here. So this package I have, this is the company name right there. This is in a size 38, and this is also a stretchy jeggings, which is very similar to the one that I tried on not too long ago. I got this in a gray. Similar concept to the one before. Try this one. It fits because it's, like I said, it's the same size, so it's gonna fit. There we go. Let me this back. There. Back. And then the front. So that's it. The other one is this one. I don't know if you can see it. But this is the should be a jacket. Like I said, all this product I selected myself because it's not fall and I need to be comfy. This one doesn't have the hoodie to go with it, so and it's a green. And it's such a I like for my jacket, like I like to have space in it because I have it's big up top, so I like to have space. So it's not like stick to my body, but this is it. It has pockets here. Not really pocket, but it has them. Oh, it does open there. What is it on the side? Oh, there. There's a pocket. It has a zipper, of course, to close it. My hair is just in the way. If you like it closed. There we go. And if you want to like button there as well. And I just saw then if you want to do lace. I want to do it this way. Let's bring it down so you can see it. I like it. I like it. I like the quality. I could just do it this way. The qualities are good. They're affordable, but at the same time, it has, what do you call it? It has like good quality. It's not those material that if you go in the cold, you're gonna get cold. It's actually good quality for a decent amount of money. But anyway, I will link the company information down in the description, as well as all these products that I selected, as well as the price, so you guys could go over there and check for yourself. But thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, comment on your post notification for future uploads, and I have a lot of projects for you guys. But stay tuned for my next video. See you guys soon.